Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is about Alt F7. When you hit it, it goes to the transformation docker, and I just showed how to reinstall that or refix that. But any key on the keyboard, when you're not in the text tool, can be a shortcut key. And in this is a 2-key stroke, so you have to hold down the Alt and the F7. What if we just make it the Q key, which is not assigned to anything else? You could make it the Q, you could make it the, possibly the U is nothing selected. It's currently not, so if you go with Q, because it's and if you use it a lot, the Q key is the last letter on the top row of the keyboard, and assign it and say okay. And then I'm just gonna hit the letter Q and that comes up with that docker. So you don't have to use Corel's default. You can make it any key as long as you're not in a text mode and typing a Q. When you don't have anything picked, you can hit the Q key and that docker will come up. And of course, like before, if you want to rotate it, just hit on the rotation and open up that docker. Then you can rotate stuff as needed. Anyway, just an idea. I hope that helped.